Today, sixth edition, we are going to record about the child labor, bonded labor through our democracy news. First of the thing is, what is bonded labor? Bonded labor has been established in India during the British period. Till today, the bonded labor is still continuing in the industries sector, handloom sector, crushing sector, everywhere, fish industries, agricultural, handloom, in every aspect, these bonded labor method systems are continued. Now, what bonded labor has prejudiced to the human of the country? It is most important to know that the party, the organizer, they give the money on loan and charge the high rate interest and make labor to work in their custody without any benefits as prescribed under the Payment of Wages Act, Payment of Compensation Act, etc. Now, this bonded labor, they lost their full right earnings with the investors, with the contractors, with the manufacturer, with the industrialists. Now, these things, how come the governing in administration section had come up? The vigilance commissions has been set up to find out these bonded labor systems existing in India. The National Human Rights Commission have given directions to every person, every authorities, every district magistrates to find out and submit the report every 3 months and 6 months. Even then, this commission under the National Human Rights Commission is empowered under the direction of the Supreme Court and furnish the report in respective of the states. It is more harmful to the human being. Now, it is mostly prejudice and hampering to the children's right to free education. Now, in the 2009, though children's right to education has been implied, even these children are permitted to have class 1 to class 8 standard free of education. But this system, these industrialists and our parents also, they don't allow our children to study up to class 1 to 8 standard. To remove and abolish this bonded labor system, our government under the direction of Supreme Court has been given many implementation from time to time direction since 1976. So far, in US and UK, this public bonded labor has been almost abolished, but in India, still it is continued. However, after the public interest litigation enactment in the 1976, these things has been reduced, but up to the satisfactory of the findings under the Vigilance Commission has been not updated. Therefore, we have decided to move a public interest litigation before the High Court under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution and in the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution. Now, these two rights has been permitted to move a PIL for challenging the bonded labor methods. The bonded labor is harmful to the economic growth of the Indian citizen. How far these industrialists and private contractors are destroying the life of the Indian citizen and poor people, these things has been specifically implied upon the poor people, downtrodden people. That's what to protect these poor and socio-economic justice neglect to the poor people and this effect to the bonded labor has been introduced. So far, this bonded labor is concerned in every state in India. Now recently it has moved famous and it has come in the Faridabad in Haryana. Thereafter it is again expanded to the Andhra Pradesh, it is extended to the Calcutta, it is extended to the every state in northeastern also. Now, every parents and every state, knowing the fact that they have not intimated to the higher authorities. Why? The intimation to the authorities is compulsory. If the person is not reported, the government authorities are also handicapped to act against the bonded labor activism. Now, to stop this bonded labor activism, the hands of the Supreme Court, hands of the judiciary system, hands of the executing authority under the district magistrate with vigilance authorities has been implied. Now, we the people of India, so far, knowing the fact that we are completely concealing the facts before the authorities. The government authorities is so motto to act the action to abolish the bonded labor. Still, they fail to do it. Therefore, through our democracy news, we make the public aware what is bonded labor, where these things are existing, especially even in the fishery sector, agricultural sector, handloom sectors, and small industries. Everywhere these bonded labor systems are existing. Now, here most economically hampered to the people is that this bonded labor has been given some lump sum amount before coming to the war, and these contractors and these industrialists, they charge high rate of interest which is not permitted by law. To develop the economic justice and economic growth of the people, this bonded labor has to be restrained and abolished permanently. We, the democracy news, making the public aware wherever this injustice and injustice has been caused to the people, they are most welcome to our channel. We'll try our best to sort it out, this all bonded labor. For hearing the democracy news, thanks a lot for the day, and we expect everyone will enjoy this democracy news, and wishing you all the best of the new year for the day. Thanks.